I study in Compassville Secondary School. Since young, I've been intrigued by toys that can move and things that can fly. Hi, Crystal! That's my younger sister. I've always wondered about motion. I've observed how paddlers roll their canoes forward, and I've observed how Crystal pushes herself forward on the scooter with her legs. It sets me thinking about the movements and forces that enable things to move. For example, why is that our hands have to exert a downward force in order to pull ourselves up? I think my science teacher knows the answer. Let's go check it out with him. Here I am in a physics lab. Behind me is Mr. Tan. He is a great science teacher. I'm going to find out the answer from him. I have a question, Mr. Tan. Could you explain what enables a person to motion forward?
You need a forward moving force.
Then why is it that when a person does a pull-up, he actually pulls downward with his hands?
Oh, you need to know Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action, there will always be an equal and opposite reaction, and this acts on different bodies. So for example, when I'm leaning against the table, my weight will have a downward force on the table. The table exerts an upward reaction force, and this prevents me from falling. Let me illustrate you with another example. Here is a balloon. He blow into the balloon. Thank you, Gyok Ling. So what happens if I were to release the balloon?
It flies.
Let me see.
Wow, the balloon behaves just like a rocket.
That's right, the balloon behaves like how the rocket propels itself.
Thank you for the explanation,
You're
Mr.
welcome,
Tan.
Gyok Ling.
Here I am in a school field. Let's find out how Newton's third law is able to apply to a rocket. Hi Tiffany, what are you doing?
I'm launching a pet rocket. First, we are filling some water, and then we are pumping some compressed air. 1, 2, 3. When the nozzle is released, the water shoots up. It will exert a reaction force which pushes the rocket in the opposite direction. As the parachute falls downwards, the air resistance exerts a reaction force which slows the parachute down.
Now I understand. In order for things to move and fly, Newton's third law must apply. For every action, there will always be an equal and opposite reaction. Thank you, Newton.